All right. The way I want to do this question is using the binomial theorem or Pascal's triangle, which would be knowing that when you take something to the third power, your coefficients will be 1, 3, 3, 1 all over x squared. So it'd be x cubed and then minus x squared and then plus x and then minus 1. And if you don't believe me, you can FOIL that out 3 times. But there is a shortcut, and that's using Pascal's triangle. So now what I would do is divide each one of these pieces. So I'm still not doing the antiderivative. X cubed divided by x squared is just x. These x squareds would just cancel. The next one would become 3 over x. And then the last one I'm going to write is x to the negative second power. There's a reason why I'm writing all of these like this, because now when I do the antiderivative, where we add 1 to the exponent, multiply by the reciprocal of that exponent, we have an issue when we get right here, and that issue is that it needs to be natural log. That's the antiderivative of 1 over x. But then this one's fine. You add 1 to the exponent, multiply by the reciprocal, and then we're going from 1 to 2. So as we do all this shortcut and all this work, now we're ready to plug in our upper bounds, which is 2 squared is 4, half of that is 2, minus 6, plus 3, natural log of 2. And then 2 to the negative first power is the same thing as 1 half. And we need to subtract off, plugging in 1 in for all those. So it'd be 1 half minus 3 plus 3 natural log of 1 plus 1. Now, as you're looking through all of that, I hope you notice at least the 1 half and the minus 1 half would later cancel. Natural log of 1 is 0. So all we're left with on the right side is that negative 3 plus 1, which would be negative 2. That when we're subtracting turns into plus 2. So we have 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 6 is negative 2. So if I've done all of my math correct, this should be your correct answer. I'm happy with this answer. If you're curious how the answer key changed a little bit, you can use the power rule to change that to be an exponent. And 2 cubed is 8. I'm not sure why anybody in their right mind would do this, but this is correct as well.